Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the convection fan motor in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and an adjustable wrench. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the lower screw, securing the power cord retaining plate. Next, unthread the 6 mounting screws, securing the range's lower rear access panel. With the screws unthreaded, detach the panel and set it aside. For easier access to remove the fan motor blade, you can remove the oven door by using the flathead screwdriver to rotate the hinge locks forward. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Slide out the oven racks. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the convection fan cover. Using the adjustable wrench, unthread the nut securing the fan blade by rotating it clockwise. Slide the fan blade off the motor shaft. Returning to the rear of the appliance, detach the fan motor power wires. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the fan motor. Set the old motor aside. To install the new convection fan motor, insert the motor shaft through the hole in the rear panel, position the motor, and thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Connect the wires to the terminals. Reinstall the lower rear access panel by first inserting the power cord retaining plate, then align the notches on the bottom of the access panel with the tabs. Tuck the upper edge of the panel under the upper access panel. Then thread the 6 screws to secure. Rethread the lower screw to secure the power cord retaining plate to the access panel. Align the fan blade on the motor shaft, then thread the mounting nut counterclockwise and tighten. Reinstall the fan cover by aligning it over the element and fan blade, Then thread the 2 mounting screws to secure. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position. Then rotate the hinge locks back. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the induction range should be ready for use.